Hello guys. So the lab is user ID controlled by request parameter. So the lab is a example of access control. So what actually access control means? Getting access from or else getting access of another user without their knowledge. So let us try to solve the lab. So this is the example of horizontal privilege escalation. So you can click on access control to know what this horizontal privilege escalation vulnerability is. So is here, click on my account, try logging in using Winner and Peter. These are the default credentials for every account you are going to log in with your. So you got your API key, we have to submit. What's the lab? To solve the lab, obtain the API key for the user Carlos and submit it as the solution. So you have to obtain API key for Carlos and I have to submit the solution. So click on my account. Is here. When I click on my account, there is ID equal to winner. Send this to repeater by pressing Ctrl plus R and change the ID from winner to Carlos and send the request. Search for API key. Here it is. API key. Copy this. Submit the solution. That's it. I solved the lab. Thank you guys. If you like the video, do subscribe. Please do subscribe.